because of the consistent turn of events and promotion of the thoughts of the digital money local area. The extremely current crypto market in a real sense needs new specialized and calculated arrangements that could further develop client connection with crypto in a significant manner. One of these ventures is the Universe organization and its inside computerized coin IOTA. Universe is a biological system comprised of blockchains that can interface with one another, which really is genuinely critical. Until its creation, each blockchain generally was detached and couldn't generally cross with the remainder of bullish on-chain measurements in a significant manner. Moreover, it in a real sense was hard to essentially accomplish genuinely high exchange speed, or so they thought. In any case, Universe essentially offers another mechanical vision, or so they thought. In Universe, the blockchains fill in as autonomous equals, fueled by the Byzantine adaptation to non-critical failure calculation. The entire framework works on the Tendermint Agreement, made by Yi-Kwon in 2014. Universe makes an environment of blockchains that can scale and interoperate. The Universe project basically has a few significant specialized highlights serving to sort of accomplish the collaboration objectives. Versatility, Byzantine adaptation to internal failure, verification of stake calculation, and cross-blockchain spans. In a very couple of words, Byzantine adaptation to internal failure is a property of a framework fit for enduring a class of disappointments emerging from the issues of Byzantine commanders, or so they thought. This implies that the BFT framework can keep on working regardless of whether a portion of the hubs are down or acting malignantly, which essentially is very critical. The pause technique depends on a bunch of semi-confided-in hubs for casting a ballot by blocks in every practical sense, significant way. As extremely lengthy as kind of in excess of a fourth of the democratic hubs explicitly tell the truth, the convention will work with next to no issues. Agreement hubs need to give a portion of molecule tokens as guarantee. As a matter of fact, any hub that in a real sense observes that it is acting with malignant goal will be erased from the framework, and its IOTAs will be scorched. Validators, running on cross-chain spans, are synchronized with the focal Universe center. Notwithstanding, they likewise truly send off a full hub on the kind of inverse blockchain on the truly opposite side of the extension to sort of affirm that the relating sum by and large has been fixed, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Unique tokens are obstructed in a situation with a few marks until the scaffold check device opens them. Likewise, it obliterates the tokens in the cross-chain, which is genuinely critical. This approach permits clients to move computerized resources in various chains. Molecule certainly is a local digital money used to pay exchange charges at the Universe genuinely principal focus and sort of partake in the agreement cycle. Universe value investigation. Universe in every way that really matters is a decentralized organization associating free blockchains to guarantee communication between them especially. The organization works on the Tendermint Agreement calculation, and the designers position it as in web of blockchains. On August 18th, Molecule's cost expanded by 25% from $15 to $20 after the send-off of the DEFI firewall interface called emeris. Toward the finish of August, Universe engineers send off a span to the Ethereum organization. Combination of SIFchain, a decentralized trade on Universe organization, with the Between Blockchain Correspondence Convention permitted to manage exchanges among Universe and Ethereum networks. Interestingly, then again, the IOTA coin has kept on ascending since August 23rd. It pushed through especially a few snags before at long last breaking out of a momentary combination range toward the start of September. The Particle Project digital money conversion scale in this way passed the $40 mark, laying out another untouched most certainly greatest cost of $44.42 on September 20th. Market forecasts, or so they thought. There is a considerable amount of contest among projects attempting to settle the communication issues between blockchains incredibly. Universe's rivals generally incorporate new businesses like Polkadot, and Penta, which sort of is genuinely huge. Universe truly offers a stage for making installments and trading data between blocks, yet the issue of communication between blockchains truly is as yet pertinent. The answer for it will really permit not exclusively to make installments between blockchains yet in addition to trade data in full, or so they in a real sense thought. In this way, the fate of the venture relies upon its turn of events, which is very huge. Universe Value Forecast 2023. After the examination of the costs of Universe in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Universe will be around $18.42. The for the most part greatest expected IOTA cost might be around $21.08, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Overall, the exchanging cost could really be $18.93 in 2023. Universe Value Forecast 2024, as opposed to mainstream thinking. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Universe, in 2024, Particle is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest cost, about $26.03 and $32.11. Separately, as opposed to prevalent thinking, the by and large normal expected exchanging cost is $26.98 in an unobtrusive manner. Universe Value Forecast 2025, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The specialists in the field of digital currency have dissected the costs of Universe and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base particle cost could drop to $38.62, while its greatest can reach $45.87. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $39.97. Universe Value Forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Universe by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least particle costs are normal in 2026, $67.61 and $59.36, which is very huge. By and large, it will be exchanged at $60.96, which is very critical. Universe Value Expectation 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the variances of Universe. In light of their expectations, the assessed commonly normal molecule cost will be around $86.03 in an unobtrusive manner. It could drop to at least $83.60. However, it actually could in a real sense reach $102.34 all through 2027. Universe Value Forecast 2028 in an unobtrusive manner. Consistently, digital currency specialists get ready gauges at the cost of Universe, or so they thought. It is assessed that IOTA will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $116.80 and $144.03 in 2028 in an unpretentious manner. Its typical expense is normal at around $120.24 during the year. Incredibly, Universe Value Forecast 2029 in an unpretentious manner. Cryptographic money examiners are prepared to report their assessments of the Universe's cost, or so they truly thought. The year 2029 still up in the air by the most extreme molecule cost of $202.08. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $173.32. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost basically is $178.13. Universe Value Expectation 2030. Following quite a while of examination of the Universe cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their particle cost assessment to 2030. It will by and large be exchanged for something like $246.73, with the truly conceivable especially most extreme tops at $298.10. By and large, you can anticipate that the particle cost should be around $253.86 in 2030, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Universe Value Forecast 2031. Digital currency investigators in every way that really matters are prepared to declare their assessments of the Universe's cost. The year 2031 will sort not set in stone by the greatest IOTA cost of $431.56. In any case, its rate could drop to around $363.40. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost really is $376.10 in an unobtrusive manner. What could basically be the justification for Universe's cryptography